Hi, to make calls on your Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 active, as a first step, wake up the watch and press this button on the right side of it to open the list of apps. So here we need to search for the phone app, open it, and if you already made calls through your watch, then you would see it in this tab. You can immediately tap it to make a call again, or you can just use this keypad and enter the number manually. So let me just do it quickly. And now we will need to press this phone icon to make a phone call. And we can see it on our phone as well. So that is how it looks. Here we can tap on the three dots as well. Select keypad, we can adjust the volume and select audio input. We can mute our phone call. We can just press this button to end it, or we can take it on our phone and we would see this tab as well. So as I said before, the three dots, volume, keypad, and here the time of conversation. To end this phone call, just press the red button and it would be ended and you would see it in this tab. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.